Hi, this is a Pacific power source. The model number called UPC32, which is 312 AMX UPC32, which is 1200 VA power source. Now we have switched on the power source. If you can see, you can program the power source and you can manually enter the values with the soft switch of VA, VB, VC and frequencies. If you see here, the numeric buttons are available and function buttons also are available. These function sections, and here also a deep function button also is available, where you can see like power supply details. If you go to the one, if you go here, you can copy the program, you can delete the program, whatever you have already created. These all things are available in functions. And now if you want to come out, say clear. Now we will here, if you see here, there is a button like on off button, which is making on power output. Whatever we set the voltages, that voltages, if you want to see back end terminals, you have to make it switch on. And there is a two buttons they have given for output. One is hard switch and another is soft switch. You can see here there is a output and you have to enable it. When you enable it, from off condition to it goes to on condition. Then only your voltages will be available at the rear panel. You can see here the form, whatever we set here, the form you can see here, 3-phase. If you want to set it as a single phase mode, you can set it. I'll tell you how to set the single phase. Now I am doing the program 2 and edit I have to say first, because I am editing the program. Then form 1. When you say form 1, it will become like a single phase source. You will not see the VA, VB, VC. You can see that now. The same thing, now you can enter the values, whatever the frequency you want to set and whatever the voltage you want to set it. Those things you can set it. Now if I press it 500 Hertz and make enter 30 voltage, then I have to press the execute. To execute this program, I need to press it. Then only you can see these values, 30 volts. And once it is 30 volts is set and 500 Hertz frequency, then you make it output on. Then you will see the load or how much load you have connected. Here if you see, display button is there. If you go here, you can see other parameters also. kVA, what is the kVA? Once you connect the load, then only you can check what exactly the values. Kilowatt and the power factor. And once again, if you press it, here RMS value you can get it, peak value you can get it, crest factor also you will get it. Then once again, if you press it, it will come back to the main mode, main display. So that's all. You can here program doing creating the program, editing the program, storing the program. That also I'll tell you how to do it. Now I'll go for 3-phase mode. Program, same I'll make it 2, edit, and now form 3 I'll make it. Form 3 is making 3-phase mode. Now you can see that VA, VB, VC, and what is WFA1, WFB1, WFC1? That is waveform 1. What is 1 is, that is you are generating the sine wave. 1 is as per the manual of UPC32, it is a sine wave. You can generate different waveforms. It is given in the manual what is exactly the 2, what is exactly the 3. So the limit, let it be higher side. Here you can see the phase angle of your phases, 3 phases. Each phase 120 degree angle will be there. Now if I execute this program, you can see the values. VA whatever voltage we have set and 500 hertz we have set. Now VAB, VBC, VCA values also you can see, which is 30 into 1.732, that is the value of this, that is root 3 value. Now you can see each phase values also in the downside. So this is the program too. Now how to store it? Now go to store. Before executing, you have to go to the functions, program, copy program. Say now I can copy this program. I can store it. Source program number 2, destination program number 3. Press store to copy. If I press it, store, yeah, it is stored. These values are stored in the program number 2. If you go to the program, if you change it, next time when you switch off and switch on, I'll make switch off and switch on once, so that you will have the idea. Don't switch on whenever you switch off any unit. Don't switch on immediately, since it has to take some time to cool down and make it switch on, at least like 30-50 seconds. Now I'll switch on the power source. If I go to the program number 2, you can see the values. If it is changing to another program, these values will not be there. Since it is in 2, the values have come directly, because we don't have any other programs stored one. So here we have one more option, changing the so now execute. Now it is in program, it is there. Now we did not switch on the output. Even if you want to change the values manually, that is also possible. You just make it a VA/VB on, press the voltage, whatever voltage you want, make it 60. If you make it, if you execute it, all values VA/VB, VC, it will be 60, and the same face-to-face values also will change it automatically. And one more thing, the power source can go up to 150 volts. More than 150 volts it will not go. In single phase, 150 volts and current is maximum 10 amps. In 3 phase, 150 volts, current is